Hey, that's Chris Lawson along with Ryan Eisma as Energy Technology Automation Engineers. In this video, we're going to talk about driving your test using different data sets. Sometimes you write a script and you have a lot of data elements that you want to feed into your script from an external location or external source. So we're going to talk about today one method of how you can do that. Ryan, can you show everyone how we would do that in code?
Yeah, sure, Chris. What we can see now is a simple example that we created here to read our Excel file. We have a simple Excel file with two basic inputs, two rows of data, three little columns. We want to point our class towards the file path, and so we're going to store that in a variable that we're going to use in our test. So we're going to use the file input stream class, and we're going to create a new instance of a file and load up that path. And then we're going to use a class that Java provides called the XML spreadsheet format workbook. And we're going to make a new instance of that and then load our file into that class. Now, with that, there's a sheet class that allows us to load up a new sheet. And basically what we're doing here is we're building our Microsoft Excel file into a virtual version of it. So we're going to point it at sheet 0 since it is the first sheet in our class and it's a 0 index. And then what we're going to do is create a new row and we're going to cycle through the rows. So what I did was I created a simple array that can store our rows and columns of data. And then we're going to cycle to the end of that array, or to the last row and the last column, and store each value that it's getting from Excel into that array. And then we can print it off. So once you have it stored into the array, you can manipulate that data and pass it into your test in any way that you think is best or that works for you. All right, back to you, Chris.
All right, so that's one method that we use to get external data. There's a lot of other methods you can use as well, but that's just one method. If you'd like to see more video topics or have any questions, drop us a line. Thanks for watching.